Once upon a time, there lived a poor fisherman and his wife in a small hut by the sea.
He sighed, thinking he might catch nothing.
Please let me go. I am not a real fish.
You can talk.
Please, put me back into the water. I am an enchanted prince.
Go on home then. She is sitting at the door already.
I am an enchanted prince. Let me go, and you may have any wish you desire.
Little fish, you can speak.
And then the flounder simply swam away.
He swam away? Go back and make a proper wish. We need a nice little cottage, she demanded.
I didn't want anything.
I didn't want anything. I want a cottage. And so the fisherman was sent to the stormy sea to fetch the golden flounder once more.
Flounder! Flounder! Come to me! Oh, Flounder! Come here! Oh, Flounder! Come here! What does she want this time? My wife wants a comfortable cottage.
Oh, husband, look, look! Our beautiful new home. Oh, husband, isn't this simply wonderful? This cottage is charming, but I think a larger house would suit us better.
Size.
We should be grateful. Go ask the flounder. With a heavy heart, the fisherman trudged back to the tumultuous sea.
Flounder, flounder from the sea. My wife wants a palace now. Go, then.
I want to be ruler of all the world. Please, wife, enough is enough.
No.
Being queen is not enough. Now I want to be emperor.
I will not rest until I am the empress of this land.
But my dear, what more could you possibly wish for thee?
He trudged back to the sea once more, a heavy burden in his heart.
Flounder, flounder from the sea! Come, I pray, and speak to me.
My wife wishes to be queen.
Go then. She is queen already.
I want to be ruler of the universe.
I want to be empress and rule over all the lands.
I will be empress of the sky itself.
The fisherman ran to the shore. The storm was so fierce, he could barely stand.
Alas, good flounder, come quickly, for my wife wants to be like God. She wants to be empress. Go then, she is empress.
She wants to rule the heavens.
I wish to be lord of the sun.
I shall rule the entire universe.
I wish to be the ruler of the universe.
I demand absolute power over the tides, and for this storm to seal my reign.
He ran as fast as his old legs could carry him, the storm raging all around.
Oh, flounder, come quickly, for my wife wants to be like God.
She wants to command the sun and moon.
And so the fisherman and his wife lived out their days in their humble hut by the sea.
And so, back they went to their little hut.
And so, they lived out their days in peace and contentment, wiser for their journey.